Hey friends, one really neat thing that we have in our classroom showed up over Christmas, and there was a lady named Lonnie Walsh that had this in her house, and she had to get rid of it in order to sell the house. So the contingency of the house was predicated upon getting this out. The problem was it's super heavy, and so we had to get some big strong people to move this. And then it finally wound up in our classroom, and I want to show it to you. Okay. And then that is what we're looking at. That's a player piano. So we're going to listen to it. I'm going to show you how it works. Okay, so we're going to listen to it first. So what I do is I go under here. There's this little switch here. Can you see that? I just flip that on, and then that starts the roll. You can hear it trying to find itself. And now I'm going to pump the bellows. That forces air. Now we can go over to here and change the sound. Isn't that cool? And then this changes the tempo. Slower, faster, and if you look at here, these are the lyrics. Okay, so now I turned it off. To rewind the rolls, I take this and I push it in. That's to play. This is to rewind. And now I'm going to flip the switch again. And now it's going to start rewinding. Now, right now, for whatever reason, it needs a little bit of help here, so we're going to help it out. All right, there we go. I'm going to turn it off. And now let's show you how it works. So what we have here is you have 88 little holes right there. Okay. And you have 88 keys. Those are 88 keys, 88 holes. Each hole matches up with a key. Okay. So then on this bar, there's a vacuum inside. Kind of like a vacuum in your house, and the vacuum is always drawing in, right? So then, when this vacuum is drawing in, it's drawing this paper, and anytime that there's a break in the paper, you're going to see, there's going to be a rush of air through this hole, and 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 that hole. Okay, all those holes, the air is going to be drawn in. When the air gets drawn in, it fires a pneumatic piston, which is like an air piston, and then that air piston triggers a hammer to hit a string. Does that make sense? I'm going to show you a little video and see if that makes sense or not. But this is our player piano. So what I sent to you is a little player piano for you to look at and play with, so you can tell what's going on. Then I got something else cool to show you.